Hello my friends, today about 3D printing. I have bought one of them and wanna try. I didn't know what I will do with it. It was just an experiment with new kind of technology. And today I've got first task for this 3D printer. I have such bottles for PVA glue, glue bot and baby bot, smaller one. Pretty cool, very convenient for me. Two noses instead. Of course I have lost second one and have only this. Is already broken. But I have 3D printer now. Four noses here. They have pretty rough shape because of my poor experience. It was just first attempt. This one is ready. Let's try it. Original one from polyethylene. I think PLA is much stronger than polyethylene. It works, no problem. Oi. Very good. Let's try to prepare this one. Very small hole. Too small, I think. This one is better. And I need to remove this skirt. It's for 3D printing. To put it on the table. Check. Perfect. Longer nose is better if you need to reach some fireplace inside furniture, for example. Of course, I can make new one longer than this. Here is my limit. I think about 6 centimeters. What I can say, these 3D printers, it's pretty useful and interesting thing. Thank you for watching. See you next time.